Jai Hind, students of class 7th. Good morning to all of you. I am teaching about the fraction. Today I am giving one class in fraction also. First of all, some tricky question on fraction. How we can solve a fraction within few seconds only. Suppose that a number in fraction is given 6 and 1 by 8, 7 and 2 by 8, and 8 and 4 by 8. How you can solve within few seconds only. First of all, by traditional like you, I do the question. 8 6 are 48, 1 49 upon 8. 8 7 are 56, 2 58 upon 8. And 8 8 is 64, 4 68 upon 8. Denominator is same, so we add the numerator. 8 8 69, 25 2. And 6 to 8 5 34 17, and now 8 2 just 16, and 1 5 8 1 7 by 8. But I told you that this question can be solved within 10 seconds only. How you can do it? First you add the whole numbers. 8 plus 7 15 and 6 21. Our whole number is 21, and 4 to 6 1 7 by 8. Only few seconds you can add this fraction. Our next question. Suppose that 16 plus 7 and 1 by 4, 18 and 3 and 1 by 2, 24 and 5 and 7 by 11. How you can do within 10 seconds only? Three questions. First we are at 16 plus 7, 23 and 1 by 4, 18 plus 3, 21 and 1 by 2, and 24 plus 5, 29 and 7 upon 11. If the denominators are different, suppose that a number is 16 and 3 upon 8, and 15 and 1 upon 4. We can write 16 and 3 upon 8 plus 15 multiplied 2 numerator and 2 denominator. That is 15 and 2 upon 8. Here denominator of same. So 15 plus 16 31, and 3 and 2 5 divided by 1. This question you can solve within few seconds only. Now I am taking some question from your book also. Exercise 2C. Question number 17. By what number should be divided to obtain this? That is 6 and 2 by 9 divided by the number x. The result is 4 and 2 by 3. It means x equal to 6 and 2 by 9 divided by 4 and 2 by 3. 9 6 are 54, 2 50, 6 upon 9 divided by 3 4 is 12, 14 upon 3. 56 upon 9 into 3 upon 14, and 3 3 are 9. That is the required number is 4 by 3. It's your answer. Next, what is the proper fraction, what is improper fraction, and what is the mixed fraction? Proper fraction. Students, if numerator is less than denominator, then that of fraction is called proper fraction. Example 2 upon 7, 3 upon 8, 11 upon 15. Here you see numerator 2 is less than denominator 7, numerator 3 is less than denominator 8, and 11, numerator 11 is less than denominator 15. That is a number whose numerator is less than denominator, then that type of fraction is called proper fraction. Improper fraction. A fraction whose denominator is less than numerator, then that fraction is called improper fraction. That is 17 upon 5, 16 upon 11, 20 upon 17. Here numerator is greater than denominator or denominator is less than numerator, then those types of fractions are called improper fraction. Other fraction is mixed fraction. Mixed fractions. A fraction in which both whole number and proper fraction exist, that fraction is called mixed fraction. Example 4 and 3 by 7. 3 by 7 is a proper fraction and 4 is a whole number, so it is a mixed fraction. 7 and 5 upon 9, it is a mixed fraction. 11 and 1 upon 2 is also a mixed fraction. What do you mean by like fraction? If the denominator of the given fractions are same, then those fractions are called like fraction. For example, 3 upon 13, 4 upon 13, 7 upon 13, and 6 upon 13. These fractions are like fractions because denominators in all the fractions are same. 13 is the same in all the fractions, so this is called the like fraction. Unlike fraction, fractions whose denominators are different, then those fractions are called unlike fraction. For example, 4 upon 7, 11 upon 13, 5 upon 19, 3 upon 17. These fractions are called unlike fraction. Here, different denominator exists in these functions, so this is called unlike fraction. Students, you have my mobile number also. You ask any difficult question from me. Thanks. Have a nice day.